All right, so you got a square, 90 degrees.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Kyle with KBG Welding. We're here with Shane. Going to give us a tutorial on how to use this. What is this called? A bevel angle finder.
Square angle finder. Yeah. 27.
24 inches and 27 inches that way.
Whatever you got here, you got to come out to 90. It's the end of the day.
90. So the 90 is the part.
That's the key number.
That's the number that we know.
And then you can find all your angles.
So we're trying to find out the angles, this angle up here and this angle down here. So we've got, what is this called? Husky what? Husky angle finder?
The angle finder.
All right.
Buy the Home Depot. So come over here. We zeroed it out before we put it up here. Come up in here. And you got 40, 41. 41. So it's 41. So you take 41, calculate 90 minus 41 equals 49. That's how you figure your other angle out. It's 49.
49.
So
49 90
plus
equals
41 equals 90. Now, to figure your cuts out, 20 and a half, or 41. It's 20 and a half.
So you got 20 and a half by dividing it by 2.
Correct. Divide that by 2.
Okay.
So,
go back to math.
it's 20 and a half, or 90. 90 minus 20 and a half, 69.5. So when you go to your square, you go over here, square it off at your pivot point.
Empire, square, speed square.
All the way over here to 69.5. And you'll mark that out.
Where's the 69.5 at? Where's the 69.5 at?
Right here.
All right.
So that's your 69.5. So this is 69.5, that's 69.5. And that gives you your cuts. The same thing you do the exact same thing down here. You take your 49 and a half, divide that by 2.
49 and a half, 49.
It's 24.5.
24.5.
So
49.
90 minus 5, 65.5. 65.5. And you just cut those the same, and that's your ending product over there.
All right. So this is what that comes out to. All right. That's tutorial, Shane. On the block. Tell it like it is. KBG Welding.